G'day, good morning. We're out of Sandfire Roadhouse and headed now towards Port Headland. Day looks really nice and it's just after 6:13. It's just after 6:30 and there's no wind at all, and you can feel the freshness of this morning. It's around about 18 degrees, but the morning is absolutely beautiful. Couldn't ask for better. I tried to capture the sunrise in the camera, but unfortunately it didn't come up the same as what I can see on the it's rather a spectacular sunrise, as they are out this way, and I'll just show it anyway, but it's a long way better in real life rather than see it on the camera. There are just open plains and open plains, but it's not good for grazing by the looks of it. It doesn't look really good grazing country at all. And remember, what you're seeing here now is the wet has just finished, so it's probably looking at the best it ever will do. Just as a reminder how small and isolated some of these roadhouses are, we're coming into Purdue now. And you notice also that the roadhouses follow a very old tradition of having a liquor license and referring them to themselves as a pub, just the same way as the old hotels used to do for the stagecoach changes when they used to run in Australia. Just crossing the Grey River, and shortly after one of the trees, it's probably the only real major river in this area, or along this route anyway. And as we're coming on up into the end of our leg, we've got some hills and mountains here just to break the monotony just before we come into Port Headland. And of course, there are some massive trains around at Port Headland carrying iron ore, but they can very well on the camera, so I'm going to put it in.